Hi friends, welcome once again to our channel ABS Pool. Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your love and for all of your support for helping me to reach 20k subscriber, and that's a lot for me, so thank you so much. And today once again I am at 4x4 Attitude shop, and today I am at their garage, as you can see, and there are some special thing about this garage, so I will be showing you guys, so please do watch the full video. So this is the car, and the purpose for which I came is to clean the headlight. On the left side, as we can see, the headlight is clear, crystal clear, and right side headlight, it is bit yellowish. So our brothers, they are going to clean this part with a product, and that product I will be showing you guys. And for this we have once again Bro.Sen.
So we have a product called Armor Ultra Shine. It's for restoring headlights from yellowish to clear. So under this product we have several wipes. There are two types. One is step 1. This is for cleaning the oxidation of the plastic parts. Usually the yellowing of headlights is caused by oxidation, so this is for cleaning the oxidation. And in the step 2 we have the second wipe. This is a sealant. It's for protecting the plastic parts of the headlight so that it does not yellow again.
So now we will start the work. And Bro.Sen, what is the price of this
This
product?
is 1000 rupees.
1000 rupees,
Yeah.
na?
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, what they did is gari to sapa kuri dhulai dije. Second, they tan clean kuri dije headlight to. Aru itia third day tan itia do kam do start kuro. So let us see how they do the work. Aru difference bhi dikhai dibo. Aru ekbar sai lubi left side la headlight to eninga dikhi ase. Aru right side la do eninga dikhi ase. So now our brother will clean using the step 1 method.
This is the bed for cleaning the headlight.
Okay.
Rub it.
Sop mano bhal bra sabi de video to full sabi de apnen ge moi bhal bra dikhai do. Aru sabi yellowish dikhi ase na, headlight te yellowish color thaka do itia yate dikhi ase wiper de. So please do like, as our brother Sen, he is working hard for us. Like kuri dibi de video to. Brother Sen ekdom duk kuri ase amian karone. Aru apnian kun kun ahibo Bro.Sen thakibo, taibra apnian ge modot kuribo. Bhal bra sabi. Aru ekbar sai libi pura yellowish dikhi ase na, ekdom pura yellow ho jaise. Itia prahe olop sapa dikhi ase, clear dikhi ase. Itia yellowish to ekdom harai jai ase, as we all can see. Aru ekbar sai libi yellowish to dikhi na, ekdom surprise ase to. Sapa ho jai ase na, dikhi ase na apnen sob na. Yellowish to ekdom harai jai ase itia to.
So yellow to nola tak kiman letera hoy ma sapa kore ko na.
Acha 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 acha.
Still there is no deposit on the
Oh,
wipes. We'll keep wrapping.
acha 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 acha. Itu wipe te yellowish to ulai thatok to sapa kore ko lage buje Bro.Sen bra ko na. Aru jitia wipe te yellowish to na thakibo titia sapa do hui jaise, enia ona jani jabo buje brother bra ko do na. So let us see video to full sabi de. Aru sai lobi aru yellowish ulai je. Wipe to aru ulta kuri na aru try koro ekbar. Ekdom sapa ho jiro. Itia sabi man ula nai na wipe te yellowish man nai na itia to.
Let's go for second round lah.
Oh, again we have to go do second round. Acha acha. So now we will start the second round, second inning. Itebe olop ulai ase. Itebe olop ulai ase. Apnihan idu nijor product to kinigena nijor la ghor de bi apnihan use koribo parbo. Itia Bro.Sen kininga sapa kore ase. Eninga jina apnihan sai gena nijor ghor de bi sapa koribo parbo. So just look carefully, bhal bra observe koribi aro apnihan ghor de nijor try koribi. Itia topi yellowish to ulai ase, as we all can see.
Amnengan idu rap ram de enanga nokuri gena create this pattern.
Acha acha.
Jawaro. Nole amne na bushe bulu de round round lai jawo.
Acha acha. Circular motion din go lai na.
Sure se lai jai na.
Acha acha acha.
So do it in a crisscross pattern.
Acha acha. तो अपनियन सपा करदम दे सर्कुलर मोशन दे नुकुरबी बुझे होलिबी अपनियन vertical नुलिबी horizontal ना एनिगाला पोजीशन दे है glass to wipe करबी निया बुझिरे. So if any one of you are interested to clean your car headlight, then you can buy this product aro apniyan nijor ghor de use korbi.
Step 2, you put a sealant over the headlight.
Okay. Now we will do the step 2. Do sealant protector. Seal bole na.
It's just a wipe. This is the
It will wipe as na. Or it will be circular motion din no na.
Ini na.
Ini na. Acha acha. तो अपनियन भाल बर सभी अपनियन इदु प्रोडक्ट किनिसि बोले अपनियन निजर घर दे लगा दम दे इतिया Bro.Sen बरा दिखाइस ने कुरबी सेम स्टेप ते
2 minutes करने ना.
Oh.
For around 2 minutes you have to apply.
Okay, for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep applying. Ini निजर सुकी जाओ.
अच्छा निजर सुकी जाओ ना. अच्छा. तो अपनियन सब पर दिखे जे एकदम क्लियर हो जाए जे हेडलाइट तो ना येलोविश तो पूरा हरा जाए जे फर्स्ट स्टेप पर है as Bro.Sen has shown us. और इतिया अपनियन सभी स्टेप 2 अप्लाई करे जे तो आस्ते आस्ते एकदम क्लियर हो जाए जे और for 2 minutes we need to wipe और इतु बिचे दे निजर निजर ताई आस्ते आस्ते सुकी जाबो बुझे ड्राई हो जाबो बुझे. तो अपने ने एक बार सभी पूरा साइड खन भी एकदम भाल बरा क्लीन करी दिसे और क्या सही स्टेप बुझे dust free जगह दे है अपने ने इतु काम दु करबो लागे केले माने dust थाकी जे बोले अपनी जिदा coating तो apply करे इतु रम दे dust तो stick हो जाओ ना बुझे.
It will form a physical layer between the environment and the headlight ना.
अच्छा
Ini nang nas screw dulu na. You can already see that it's become very clear compared to the
yeah.
before we put the.
So step 2 2 minutes tok wipe करिसे और इतिया इतुन अलप wet हुइना जे इतु अलप dry हो दिबो लागो जे Bro.Sen बरा. So after that I will show you guys the final output. Hello friends, so the surprise is this one, this Gypsy, as we can see, fully customized. Just look at the tires, and also they have changed the spring, even the suspension also. And see the size of the tire, how much broad the tire looks, man. And also see the ground clearance. Just see the height of this Gypsy. This just look amazing, and really 4x4 Attitude, they really do amazing things on the car and even on the bike. So if you guys are interested to customize your Gypsy or whatever it may be, you can come and visit this shop. They have a big garage over here. Just see, this is the garage, and we have the workers, the staffs. So let me show you the interior. So this is the interior. See, now one of our brother will drive this car and we will show you guys. Okay, acha. Just look at this, man. Really, this is just unbelievable. So just look at the, let us just hear the sound of the exhaust. So this is the exhaust of this customized Gypsy. एक बार चलाओ ना किन्या मैं मुझे तो अपने कैमरा धुरी दे. So now I will just try to drive this Gypsy. So अपने सब पास दे. Complete हुआ ना इधर भी. Later on this will be completed. So if you guys are interested to do modification to customize your Gypsy, your car, then you can come and visit 4x4 Attitude. So hello brothers, this is the final result. So just see. Okay, ये तो मैं सभी दे मैं एकदम अलग पीछे दे जाएगा ना अपने के दिखा दिया से. This is the right side one and this is the left side one. At first right side ते yellowish था किसी ना इक्या तो एकदम हराई जाए. Left side पे एकदम clear है और right side पे एकदम clear है. औसर बात दिखाई दे वो सभी सभी और इतु side ते बहुत क्या बात था दो. I did something extraordinary. Okay, मैं इतु Harpix पर सपा कोले try करूँगी. So Bro.Sen he told me that it is not good to wipe from Harpix. इतु तमदे इतु अलग क्या हो जाए glass तो और इतु भी कोले भी इक्या तक तम solid दिखे ऐसे. I am happy with your work. और thank you so much to our brothers. तान रा मुझे तो product तो तांगला side पर है मुझे free gift दीजिए. So thank you so much to both of you. और अपने भी interested लगे आसे कोले do come and visit this 4x4 Attitude, and our brothers will be here and even staffs will be here to do all your works and to fulfill all your requirements. So thank you so much 4x4 Attitude. May the good Lord continue to bless each and every one of you.